Thanks for watching this video. Let me tell you about a complete set of videos I've made on the subject of making effective selections in Photoshop. We have more selection options in Photoshop than we can shake a stick at. So the question we may be asking is, which selections do we use in what situations? Well, do you want the good news on that or the bad news? Bad news first. No one can tell you that because every image is unique and you could use one or a number of different selection tools to reach the same ends. The good news? Selections really have never been quicker or easier to make, and we can take you through what you need to know in these videos. We can quite easily remove a complex shape like these old railway signals onto a transparent background within less than a minute, and that includes all of the fine detail like the cables running the signals. Then we get the choice of using the signals as they are, or we can make them into a full silhouette, leaving that vital bit of red, of course. Now things become pretty easy. We can slide another, more dramatic sky behind those signals. Don't like that one very much? Okay, try another. We just need a little experimentation and we soon have a new image using selections in less than a minute. I've recorded 21 full HD videos in this set, starting with selection basics and covering everything I can think of, including improvements to an image with a quick and simple selection, and I'm not exaggerating here, they really are quick and easy. Simple selections is all we need to save many of our images from going into the bin. And when I talk of simple selections here, I do mean simple, taking only a few seconds to create. You can go as far into our selection videos as you want to go. I've demonstrated the what, when and how with Photoshop selections, including those for complex selections like cutting out trees full of leaves and branches. Once we have the tree separated from its background, we can always find another image with greater impact and appeal to replace it with. Now what about the cutting out of even finer detail like hair? That's now becoming much easier and practical to do. After all, if we're going to do this, it has to be done right. Learn how to deal with fringing in your cutouts, and this is particularly important with hair. Check out our PDF for our full video list of topics. Of course, not all cutouts contain fine hair, but they can be almost as complex. Here we demonstrate how to remove a subject like this to a higher standard. You'll notice our car is standing in grass, so that poses a problem for the bottom of the wheels. We deal with that too, rebuilding the shape of the tyre and replacing the rubber using selections and clipping layers. The main cutout of this car took me around 20 minutes, and that includes the fine detail between the spokes in the wheels. Then about another 10 minutes to fix the wheels themselves. But you don't have to do this work all in one go. But once you do, then you can have some fun trying different scenarios. All of the images you've viewed so far were created while recording these videos. If you're watching on YouTube, check out the links below, because I've placed the PDF link to a full list of the videos in this set, plus links to where you can download our example videos. Try these videos to evaluate what we've created. If you're viewing this video elsewhere, come along to my website and look for Creating Effective Selections. The download link for these videos and our video list will be easy to find. Thanks again for watching.